When you formed me in my mother's womb, you called me by my name. You are my purpose for living.
Di maging binto, lupok na ka.
My God, Savior and my King. As long as I live, I will glorify your name. As long as I have breath, your praises I proclaim. Jesus, my forever King.